Hey guys, so I will be showing y'all how to get this slick back look. It's like a pony slash bun slash whatever you want to call it, but I will be showing y'all how to get this look in today's video. And before we get into that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And y'all, I'm trying to get to 10K on Instagram, so follow me at Nice Unique Me. I will have that somewhere on this screen. But y'all, when I was doing this look, like I ain't gonna get into too much talking. This is like, you get to fight where y'all, I don't condone fighting, I don't condone violence, but this like that fight hairstyle, because you know when girls be fighting, they be trying to grab your hair. This the style they can't grab, because baby it's slick back, like they hand just gonna go across it because it's so slick, so you're gonna be like this and they can't really grab your hair. So yeah, this that get ready with me, because I'm finna go fight look. But I'm just playing, y'all. Let's just jump right into the video. Okay y'all, so to get this slick back look, you have to do it in sections. So you first want to part your hair in the back and then put the front up. We're going to focus on the back section. So you want to go in with some Wetline Gel, and then after applying the Wetline Gel, you want to make sure that section is really detangled. I'm using this detangler brush that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. Okay, y'all, so after detangling, I'm just going in with my Cantu denim brush. And this brush just makes sure everything lays flat. And then I'm going on top of it with the regular brush just to lay it down. And again, y'all, you want to complete these steps until you get into the front of your head. And remember, if you want a slick back look, you have to do it in sections. Part your hair. Go in with the Wetline Gel or whatever gel you want to use. Come in with your detangler brush. Make sure it's good and detangled. And then you come on top of it with a denim brush or a regular brush just to pull it back and make sure it's laid flat. Okay, y'all, that's my favorite part, the edge part. I'm really not gonna walk y'all through this part because I have an edge video on my page. I will insert it somewhere in this clip. So doing my edges, I first just slick it back. I do like the Nike swoop thing. So you just slicking it back and then you parting with a swoop at the end, if that makes sense. But just watch it, just watch it. And again, if you want a more in-depth video on how I do my edges, again, I do have a video on my page. So pause this and go watch it. Please, y'all, do not forget the kitchen. Don't forget the neck. We do not want beady beads on the neck. Lay the neck too, y'all. Okay, here's some just going in and detangling my ponytail. If you want to leave it in a ponytail, you can. I know y'all saying something about my rubber band right now. Oh my God, why she use that brown rubber band? Because I'm going to put it in a little bitty bun, see? Tie-dye, and you can't even see the rubber band, so shut up whoever's saying something about my rubber band. And then you just wrap a little hair tie on there and you done, y'all. You done. That is how you prepare your hair for a fight, girl. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, comment down below, and y'all be sure to subscribe. We on the road to 20K. Subscribe.